Alright, Professor Hypebeast here. Alright, everybody, please turn off the Snapchats, the Instagrams, the Pornhubs. Today we have a lesson on shoes. Alright, now whoever wants extra credit, show me their titties. No, Billy, put your shirt back on, you fat ass little shit. Yes, and like you've heard from Professor Hypebeast, the child molester, today we're going to be seeing a pair of shoes. And not just any other pair of shoes, these are Oreo 5s. They retail around $300 to $500, at least on GOAT. On other places, you can get them from cheaper. Dead stock, they're gonna be more expensive. These are not dead stock, of course. I'm not buying $60 dead stock shoes, but these are pretty beat, but not that much. If you haven't seen the price of them, it was $60. You blind little shits! It's not in the title, you fucking dumbasses. Alright, I'm just kidding. These are the shoes. They do have a few scuffs on them. Right here, there's a scuff. All of the front side is a little bit scuffed up. There's a big scuff right here. On the other pair, not as many, but this part is pretty messed up. And there's a little bit of that. In this video, we're going to be trying to acetone it off. And let's see if that works, and if it doesn't, that's fine. These aren't that beat, so still great price for $60. I got these on the website called Poshmark. It's basically just used Hypebeast shit, and that's the whole website. So how I know these aren't fake. So basically, what you want to do when you are checking for fake Oreo 5s is the toe box. On these, the toe box is actually riding up. When there's fakes, normally they have it just like at the corner, it's just cut off, but this one's riding up. The bottoms on the actual ones, look how clear these are, by the way. The bottoms, they're amazing. I just walked in these because I need to check how they were on feet before reviewing. I got them a little dirty. When I got them in the box, they were way cleaner than this, and I'll just clean this off. But super icy in the bottoms. That's a relief. And they're actually a blue tint, and that's another thing. The fakes do not have a blue tint. They're just completely clear. There's still a little bit of the blue tint from dead stock, but that's that. The mesh on the sides, I don't know, the net, plastic net, whatever it's called, is cloudy. On the fake, it's clear. The Jumpman on this lip part, I don't know what it's called, is ashy gray, more than silvery white, which is the fake pair. This has just that, they look the same. An iffy part about these shoes is there's no Jumpman on that, but like on other Jordans I have, that just rubs off if you use them too much, which I don't think the dude did. I think he put them on like once and just put them back in the box, because these bottoms are way too icy to be actually used too much. But that's what I think he did. This whole upper part of the shoe, the uppers, are all felt material. It's not too hairy. You know how felt is a little hairy. It's not too hairy. There is some creasing on the toe box, if you can see. I don't think it's too much. I don't think you can see it, but it's not too much. It's not too bad. This one doesn't have any. This is the lace lock. It's all clear. There's the Jumpmans on the side. There's another Jumpman in there. But that's that. We're gonna be back with some acetone and some wipes to see how they look completely clean. Alright, we're back with some nail polish remover, also known as acetone, and some cotton balls, and let's see if we can get some of these scuffs out. I've never done this, so this is gonna be new. So that smells like AIDS. Someone got mad at me for using that same joke on the fake case, and while we're talking about that, we were gonna do an unboxing of, I just spilled all the acetone of Louis Vuitton fake case from iOffer, but it hasn't arrived, and I think I got scammed. Alright, let's see if we can get this big scuff out. This really does smell bad, and I'm gonna get high as fuck. Woo. Alright, let's see. I can't get it on any other part because it's gonna stain the and of course I am gonna get... Alright, let me squeeze this a little bit out. My hand burns. Alright. Should have had some better procedure. This is not coming off. Well, that's great. Oh, it kinda is coming off. Hold up. Alright, we're gonna continue doing this and be back when we're all done. Acetone is a scary thing. Look, while trying to get the big scuff on the side, I think it was the biggest scuff the shoe had, I stripped it down to the bare paint right there, and I didn't realize this after I was actually there. So that's the only bad thing. The shoe actually came out amazing. No more scuffs. There's a little bit of you see that division from the pure white to the whatever this is. I don't want to go further with that and try to make it all white because I was scared of doing whatever I did to the that part of the shoe to that, so I didn't continue with it. But now the whole shoe is all scuff free. At least the bigger ones. This one has even less scuffs than the last one. Look at that. That's just clean. I also cleaned the uppers. Cleaned the uppers on all of these. And just turned out beautiful. So that's it. I have two more reasons to tell these are real. The bubble on these are kind of dirty. The air bubble on these is black. The fake one is actually clear. And I forgot that one more. Oh, the stitching on the front is black. The fake one is white. Alright, that's my video on my $60 Oreo 5 Jordan Retros. Thank you for watching, and fuck you.